Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlynn.
And today we are here because we are going to be unboxing Ashlynn's Kids Stitch Fix box for March. But for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing styling service where you pay $20 to have a box styled for you. And so when you pay that $20 styling fee, you're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion. And then a stylist is going to be paired with you. He or she is going to send 5 items to you in your box. But for kids, they get
10 items.
So they get 10 items in their box. And then those items are going to get sent to you for free. You're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you're going to decide what you like and what you don't like. And you only pay for what you keep. If you keep one item in your box, then that $20 styling fee does get applied to that one item. If you keep everything in your box, you're going to get a 25% discount, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee, which is a really good deal. So I know Ashlynn is really excited, so we're going to go ahead and get into her box. And so when she opens up the box, the first thing that you see is that prepaid mailer bag that I talked about. So shipping is free both ways. If there are things that you're not going to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges, you're going to put them in this bag and you're going to send it back for free. Next is kids get some really cute stickers. And so she's got some stickers in her box. And then we get an envelope, and inside of the envelope is going to be the price invoice sheet. And we also get a style card with a note from her stylist, and it has a picture of all the items that are in her box. And it says, "Hi Ashlynn, it's so good to see you again and hope you're doing well. I heard you're just as ready as I am for warmer weather and made sure to pack today's box full of fun pieces to have fun in the sun. This blue striped dress will be perfect for that. Just add the matching cardi when it's rainy outside. I also remember how much you love dressing up and thought this pink dress would be perfect with these sandals for church. Slip them on, giving us your best twirl to get the full effect. Then have fun mixing and matching today's tops with the shorts and jean shortalls. Ooh. They all match each other, so any combo is sure to be a winner. Don't forget to ask your mom to tell me how today's fashion show goes. Toodles, Erica." And so here's her style card. All right, Ashlynn, go ahead and pull out the first item. Ooh, you got this little fancy little shoe bag, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and open that up.
I'm excited.
Ooh, those are
pretty. Oh my gosh, I love them.
So she has these cute little rose gold shoes, little sandals, which would be perfect for church, and they have a nice little heel. But we'll try those on and see. Do you like the way those look?
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll put those to the side. And then we have 2 small bundles. You want to show them the first bundle?
Yeah.
So the first bundle looks like that. Ooh, some pretty colors.
I see this blue striped dress.
Yes, very pretty. Okay, go ahead and open it up. Okay, so what's the first thing?
This first thing is a tie-dye shirt with
little kitty cat.
Kitty.
Very
That's
cute.
so cute. I think
So it's a really cute little pastel tie-dye shirt with a little twist in the front. Let's see what the tag says. This is the Love Glam Girl Nini twist front tee, and it says it's in light blue. So that is super cute. You like that?
I love it.
Okay, go ahead and grab the next item. All right,
This
pink.
is another shirt with a unicorn on it.
Unicorn, that is
pink.
cute. It's got like a really cute little ruffle sleeve. And Ashlynn loves unicorns in the color pink and blue. So let's see what this one says. This one says, Bailey Lane, the Flutter sleeve graphic tee, light pink in a medium. Do you like that?
Mm-hmm.
I bet you that would look cute with those little short overalls. Okay, go ahead. Next item. It's navy blue. It's a cardigan.
Cardigan, I forgot.
Ooh, that is so soft. And so the tag says, RUMI and RYDER, the Shawl cardigan in navy and a medium, and it's just this cute little soft cardigan, really stretchy. That's really cute. You like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Next
is the blue and white striped dress with some flowers on it.
It's got some pockets here. Did you see that? You love.
Geez,
Ashlynn loves pockets. It's got pretty yellow flowers, and it's blue and white stripe. Very stretchy, very soft. These dresses wash up really well, so that's cute. Okay.
Last item from this bundle is
Ooh.
some jean shorts.
So this says, Hippie Girl Selina knit denim cuff short and indigo, and it's a size 10. And so,
feel the stretch.
Yeah,
Oh
stretchy.
my
So let's take a look at those. So they have this kind of frayed hem right down here. They're sewed on the side, which is really cute. And they're just kind of like a light to medium wash, probably a little bit of a lighter wash, but they are super stretchy. So those are really good. Okay, go ahead and get the next bundle.
This one looks really pretty.
Okay, so this is what you got. Okay, go ahead and open it up. Okay, go ahead.
We have the purple shirt with some white stripes and a crisscross back.
Okay, so this is RUMI and RYDER, the crossback tank in light purple. I like that light purple.
Yeah.
So this is really super soft. It's just a cute little purple and white stripe, but what's really cute is that crisscross back detail that you have there. I like that. Do you like that?
Yeah, it's really soft.
Okay, next.
Kind of
Ooh, looks like a dress. Okay, so it's a cute little dress for church. It's got some floral print. It does have a little banding here in the middle and a little tie in the middle. Let's see, a little fluttery kind of see-through sleeve. Some little flutter ruffles down at the bottom. Do you like that? That would go really good with those little shoes. The tag says that this is Trixxi Ensley square neck flutter dress, and it says it's in pink and it's a size 10.
That's so
that would
cute.
be very pretty for church, don't you think? Okay. Next.
It's the jean overall.
So these are super cute.
I'm excited to try these on.
They've got this little frayed hem here. Again, it's sewn on the side, so it's not going to come down. Kind of like that light to medium wash.
It's so cute. I don't know where wear it right now.
Adorable. I think you're going to like those, don't you? And then the last thing in her box is
some more jean shorts.
Ooh, those ones have some lace detail. Those are super cute. So
They
a
have
dark
lace
wash,
detail right here.
dark wash short. It says Hippie Girl, Kamala lace hem short in indigo. And so they have that little lace detail, little distressing right here. Do you like the distressing?
Yeah.
Yeah, cute. A little distressing on the other side. And then they got the little lace detail on the top pocket right here and on the cuffs. So that is super cute. So what are we gonna do now?
Try on the clothes.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we are back with the first two pieces, and Ashlynn has on the Love Glam Girl Nini twist front tee and the Hippie Girl Kamala lace hem short. And what do you think, Ashlynn?
I think these go really good together.
That is super cute.
I also like how
The lace detail.
Yeah.
The lace detail. This shirt is super soft. The shorts seem to fit really well.
I give it 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. All right, we'll be back with the next outfit. All right, so we are back with the next 2 pieces, and on top, Ashlynn has the RUMI and RYDER, the crossback tank, and on the bottom, she has the Hippie Girl Selina knit denim cuff short. Okay, Ashlynn, what do you think?
I think this looks really cute together, and I think it would be a great, like, to-go-out outfit.
Yeah, turn around and let's see that crisscross detail. Super cute. Yeah, we like that. And the shorts are super stretchy, and so is the top, so I think those will fit through the summer really well. All right, we'll be back with the next outfit. All right, guys, so we are back with the next 2 items, and we have on the Bailey Lane, the Flutter sleeve graphic tee with the unicorn. She has it on underneath. And then the Hippie Girl Winnifred triple button cuff Shortall. All right, Ashlynn, what do you think?
I think these go really good together, and I think they would be great for, like, going to school and that stuff and playing outside.
Yeah, those are super cute. Are you happy to have those? They seem like they're really stretchy. Show us the stretch in the leg. Yeah, so they're stretchy, which is good. All right, so what do you think about this outfit?
2 thumbs up.
And so we'll be back with one of the dresses. All right, guys, so we are back with this first dress, and this is the RUMI and RYDER Val Fit and Flare dress. It's the blue and white one with the yellow flowers. And Ashlynn, what do you think?
I give this 2 thumbs up, and I think this would be great for church and going out to eat for dinner and, like, lunch.
I think that one looks really good. That would look really cute with white sandals or a pair of white tennis shoes. So, yep, we give this 2 thumbs up. We're going to throw on the cardigan with it and see how that looks. Be right back. All right, so we are back with this cardigan, and we paired it like her stylist said. She suggested putting it with this dress. This is the RUMI and RYDER, the Shawl cardigan in navy. And so, Ashlynn, what do you think?
I give it 2 thumbs up, but I think it would go well with a different dress.
Yeah, it's a good versatile color. We could find other dresses to put it with or other shirts to put it with. And it's kind of a lightweight cardigan, so it'll be good for spring. And yeah, I think this is a pretty good one. What do you think?
I give it 2 thumbs up.
All right, we will be back with the dress and the shoes. All right, guys, so we are back with the last 2 items, and Ashlynn has on the Trixxi Ensley square neck flutter dress, and she also has on the Mia Kids Aubrie heeled sandal. And so, Ashlynn, what do you think? Let's start with the dress.
I love the dress because you can like twirl around in it like this, and that has this like flurry part.
Yeah, it's very flowy. It's got that little square neck. This would be perfect for church. She does have a pink cardigan that she could put with it if we end up going to church for Easter. So this would be a perfect Easter dress, or if we don't get to have an Easter service, just a good dress for church. And then what about the shoes? Step back and let's try to show us the shoes. So these are like little rose gold shoes, and they are a touch too big, but I think if we were to size down, then they would be too small. So I think that we should probably keep them in a 3. That way she can wear them for a little bit longer. So a little bit big, but I think we can make them work. So what do you think?
I give it 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. We'll be back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, guys, we're back to do a recap and to talk about some prices, and I think Ashlynn thinks this is
10 out of 10.
a 10 out of 10. So we're going to talk about the pieces real quick. So starting with the first one, this is the RUMI and RYDER Val Fit and Flare dress in blue, and the cost of this dress is $24. And so, like I said earlier, super comfy, super stretchy. They wash up well, and so we're going to be keeping that. Next is the Shawl cardigan in navy, and it is also by RUMI and RYDER, and it is $20. And this is a nice lightweight cardigan, and it is $20. Next is the RUMI and RYDER, the Flutter sleeve graphic in light pink, and it is $14, and she loves unicorns, so that worked perfectly under those overalls. So we're gonna be keeping that. Next is the Mia Kids Aubrie heeled sandal in rose gold, and they are a touch too big, but not too big to where she can't wear them. So I think we're gonna keep them. I'm afraid if we size down that they're gonna be too small and she won't get much wear out of them, but they're a super cute little heel for church. And so they are $32. Next is the RUMI and RYDER, the crossback tank in light purple, and it is $14. These are perfect for spring and summer. I like the colors, so that's a good one. Very stretchy, very easy to care for. Next is the Imperial Star Selina knit denim cuff short in indigo, size 10, and these are $22, and they're stretchy, and I think she's gonna get some wear through spring and summer and early fall, so those were good. Next is another Imperial Star, the Kamala lace hem short in indigo, and these are $24, just like the other pair. They're very stretchy, and they're gonna fit through spring, summer, and fall. Next is the Hippie Girl Winnifred triple button cuff short overalls in indigo, size 10, and these are $30. So the shoes and the overalls are the most expensive thing in her box. But yeah, she really liked those a lot, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Next is the Love Glam Girl Nini twist front tee in light blue, and this one is $16. We've gotten a couple of shirts from that Love Glam Girl, and she really loves that brand, so we're gonna keep that. And then you really love this dress, didn't you?
Yes.
And this dress is by Trixxi. It's the Ensley square neck flutter dress in pink, and it is $26, and so she loved that dress, especially with the shoes. Yep, so she could spin around. The stylist pick subtotal was $222. We're gonna end up keeping everything, so we're gonna get that 25% discount, which will take off the $55.50. The order subtotal is $166.50, but we get to apply that $20 styling fee, and shipping is free, so our final order total is $146.50 for 10 items. If you have any questions, let us know. We will leave a referral link in the description box below. I think my husband has a $50 referral link that I'll leave in the description box if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix. But this is actually fix number 7 for Ashlynn. So until next time, bye guys.
Bye.